That's just, you don't see him in this position very often.
Line drive, right at Teixeira, double play, end of the game. Yankees win 7-5, and you can put that one on the left side and take a deep breath as well. I got lucky there, Paul. You don't hit the ball that hard and usually get a double play out of it. But 25 saves in 15 consecutive seasons, and that extends his own major league record. And this one was a sweaty one, though.
Well, it was, and like I was saying, he was laboring a little bit, and you just wonder if him having to pitch that out in the 8th inning had anything to do with it. But a big break for the Yankees. Ball was hit. This ball goes down the line. You're either tied or down 1. Mark Teixeira, as he usually is, at the right place at the right time defensively.